Okay, what I want to do is to haul the ignition switch out. This here piece is splined. And there's about a millimeter lip right in here, but I can't get anything on there to pull on it with. I mean, there's 1 millimeter lip, nothing will hold. What I'm thinking about doing is using this old backing from a brake pad and cutting a chunk out of it, sliding it down behind that lip, and probably cutting the ends off it and then trying the puller on that. There. Now I'll just try the puller on that and it should move. I've got some pressure on there now. It's bowing a little bit. So it's going to need to move soon. I'm having trouble with that puller. This plastic piece is seasoned to the shaft, and this shaft turns and then that slips, and I have this other puller. I might try it. I haven't given up yet. I can't use that puller. There's not enough of a lip here to catch anything. That won't work. And this one here won't work because this here shaft, the center there is just the right size, so they're sort of jamming together. So this piece is turning, so that it's turning on there, so that's slipping. I need, if this center piece was larger, it would spin on there and that would probably stay in place, and then I might be able to get enough force on there it might move. So I think I need a different puller. I've got an idea. I think I'll take the pullers apart and try switching the arms. There. Now I'll just try that combination and see what happens. Oh, the metal's bending again. Oh, I've tried heating it up and I cranked them up some more. Yeah, it's still hot. Bent that piece. Well, I wonder how bad I need to take it off properly. Maybe I can just cut it. Hacksaw method. Well, it's off.